sino?
Kaya? Pagkain lang.
Ayun mga pero.
With the start of round 3 sana, or 3 minutes, round number 3, the result of round number 9, winner by abandonment, Blue Shonen Subion from Palta. And let's go now to the 10th and final bout for the championship. Joji Rima sa red versus Yuriko Kane Subion sa blue. Ito na ang panghuling bout ngayong gabi for the championship bout. For light flyweight division sa red, Joji Rima versus sa blue, Yuriko Kane Subion.
Coach, ano mo?
Pakita naman guys, oh.
This Summer Sports Fest 2024 Amateur Boxing Tournament is brought to you by LG Virata, Mayor Samuel Lainez, SB Virata headed by Vice Mayor Dr. Arlene Arcilia, Depend Catanduanes headed by Schools Division Superintendent Socorro de la Rosa, RG Virata headed by Dr. Elba Hosor, Dr. Melfil Safe and staff, the MDRRMO Virata, Municipal Local Youth Development Council, PNP Virat, headed by our Chief of Police, Police Major M. Solikawad, and PNP personnel, Virat Traffic Section, headed by Ray D. Gilberto, Lucian Virat Catanduanes, Catanduanes Amateur Boxers and Trainers Association, headed by President John Brian Basinio, and our boxing organizer Edwin Yana.
Kasi pakyaw ko tayo ito talaga. Di ba, magsapok ko tayo. Sige, may makusog. Di lang mapakita lang grabe. Paano? Grabe naman ano. Touch din.
Grabe na naman yun, no?
Let us wait the decision from the management kung papayagan natin silang magtanggal. Since nasa below 18 pa po sila, so magsuot pa rin ng red gear. Bawal po mag-uba. Dapat may headgear, dapat may suot po na damit. Okay? This is the final bout this evening. Light flyweight division sa red, Joji Rima versus the blue, Yuriko Kane Subion. gentlemen, presenting the final bout, bout number 10. Schedule of 3 rounds of pure amateur boxing with 3 minutes per round for live flyweight division. Introducing first, fighting on the right corner, weighing at 52 kilograms, 14 years old. From the municipality of Pandan, boxer Georgie Riva. And his opponent across the ring on the blue corner, weighing at 52.5 kilograms, 14 years old. From Palta, Virac, boxer Yurigo Subion. The man who will take charge of this fight is referee Willie San Juan. Panel of judges, Judge 1, Tony Chiano. Judge 2, Joseph Bagajong. Judge 3, Edgar Tindugan. Deputy Technical Delegate, Rolando Romero. Tabulator, Romeo Eusebio. Timer, Asa Romero. Ring announcer, Patrick Ian Newton. Ring physicians, Dr. Murphy Safe and the rest of the group. And ring 8, Raymark Ogalesco, Christian Vargas, and Jonathan Tabor. And they are using again the surgical gloves. I guess you are doing.
Go, G! Good luck! Round 1. Nakasina. Ganun katindi ang boxers natin. That's what we call the perfect match. Punto 5. So, differential.
Atensyon ng ating boxing fans. Kung katindi ang tension sa loob ng boxing stage, kundi ang ating boxing fans, umiinit din, lalong tumitindi ang tensyon.
Relax lang, relax. Kawat lang, boy. Kawat lang, kawat.
Okay, laro lang po yan ha. Walang personalan po, walang boxers. Sige, Saira pasok! Okay, thank you, Saira. Okay, second set. And let's go now to wait mo na.
Yung mga seconds o mga coaches, assistant coach, binaiwa pa mga ano dyan. Maghari kami sa ring, Maghari. Tingnan mo dyan sa ring. Magtayo ka, sila kung magtayo ka sa mga coaches.
Round 2. Dating more intense abang patagal ang ating bout number 10. Lalong tumitindi ang tensyon ng ating boxing fans. Isa ang red corner. Nagagamit na ng uppercut ang red corner. And let us see, Chujirima and Yuriko against one. On this co-main event this evening. That's a main event now. Main event of the evening. Perfectly matched. And Jojo Rima was wearing black with white, while Yuriko King Subiona was wearing red with blue. Oh, they are much. Now we don't see Joji Rima doon.
Nice one, G.
Nakabayas sa mga si Yuriko King. Lakas na suntok yun Pero mabuti, marunong dumakan sa Jojo Rima. Ang dalawang buksigero. Na isang din ang blue corner. Left.
Soji!
Coming on left. Press na sila na isa. This is it. Kabanata ng ating round. The third and final round. Here we go, Amy. Alright, pasok. Ito na ang huling round ng ating bout number 10. Ang natitirang 3 minuto. Let us see. Tiba. Seconds out. And good luck to our last round. Wait a minute, medyo basa pa ang side. Parang umuulan pa sa labas Round 3, the final round. Who will be the winner for this main event of the evening? Taga-Pandan ba o taga-Virac?
Soji!
Let us see. A final 3 minutes. Parehas binibigay ng lakas. Ano lang, walang personalan, laro lang. Laro lang walang personalan. let us see. Sino kaya ang mananalo this bout number 10? Taga-Pandan ba at taga-Burak? Let us find out tonight. Nagpapasalamat po tayo sa lahat ng ating boxing fans na nanood po dito sa ating Day 1 hanggang Day 3 ng Summer Sports Fest 2024 Amateur Boxing Tournament. Thank you po sa ating LGU Virag and all the sponsors para maging successful ang ating boxing event. Kung wala sila, walang ganito. Thank you very much sa kanila. And heto na, malapit na. Kasi ano na. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go on the verdict on the panel of judges. Here we go on the verdict on the panel of judges. Judge 1 scored 27-30. Judge 2 scored 28-29. And Judge 3 scored 28-29. Ladies and gentlemen, the result of bout number 10, winner by unanimous decision. So that's the end of our 3-day Summer Sports Fest 2024 Amateur Boxing Tournament. I am your ring announcer and your host, Patrick Newton Salon from Virag Municipal Covered Plaza. Thank you very much. And of course our sponsors, especially LGU Virag, Mayor Sammy Lainez. Let me read the sponsors here. And of course, David Catanduanes, headed by our school's division superintendent, Socorro de la Rosa, SB Virag, headed by Vice Mayor Arlene Arcilia, RHU Virag, headed by Dr. Elba Roson, Dr. Murphy Sofia and staff, MD RRNO Virag. Thank you very much, Municipal Local Youth Development.